students and parents. In this video lesson, I will be going over our math lesson from earlier today. So let's go ahead and get started. So before the break, we were discussing counting up to 120. In first grade, students need to know how to count up to 120 by twos, fives, tens, and by ones. So today we were focusing on expanding and squishing together numbers and using our place value table as well. So what we're going to do is please put your data at the top and separate your page into 3 parts. Then you're going to create a rectangle, and in that rectangle you're going to separate it into 3 pieces with a little title, small skinny box at the top, and you're going to do that for each of them. Like that. And then inside, oops, there we go. And then inside each of these boxes, we're going to write an H for hundreds, a T for tens, and an O for ones. Okay, and do that for each box. Okay, then we're going to write an E for expanded form. Expanded form is when we stretch our numbers out and we write plus signs in between, because when we squish it in standard form, that's when we write numbers normally, how we usually write numbers. That's what we put here. And you're going to do that for each of these. Like that. Okay. And same thing, plus sign, plus sign, plus sign, plus sign. Okay, so for our first number, let's do actually, yes, let's for our first number, let's do 100. So I put a hundreds block here in the hundreds place because that is 100. And then for the tens, let's do 123 as our number. So here's 100. And then for tens, 20. So I know that's going to be 2, 10, 20. So that's 2 tens blocks. And then 3. So 3 is how many ones? So that's your number, 123. So then students need to expand that number. So how many hundreds do we have? We have 100. So I'm going to write 100 here. Okay. How many tens do I have? Oh, I have 2 tens, 10, 20. Okay. So then I'm going to write 20. And then how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3. Okay. I have 3 ones. So just to kind of make that better to understand. And then for standard form, because we expanded it, so for standard form, we're going to squish these numbers together. So 123, just like that. Okay, and students are going to do that for the next 2. So I will give you the number here in standard form, and then students need to draw and write an expanded. So let's do, how about I do this? I will do, let's do 117, and let's do 132. I know that's going a little bit above and beyond the numbers kids need to count up to, but it's good practice nonetheless for writing. Okay, so when your child is finished, please feel free to send it either a picture of it through Class Dojo or on Schoology. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.